Crib Nibbler. It has food instead of.
Yeah, you're excited about it. Who wouldn't be?
Good lord. And a baby.
Let Mama get you. Let Mama get you. You ready? Oh, goodness.
I want to play with the thing for more than throwing on.
What is this? We'll show it to him.
Laugh and learn.
What's that?
Got all kinds of stuff in there. Got a remote control. You got a camera.
What's out there, yeah? What's that thing? 3, 2, 5.
'Volume up.
Teaches you how to use remote.
God, really?
Is that funny? Is that kind of funny?
Who gave him that? We did, the two of us. But there's other things, yeah. There's a camera. The camera takes pictures. You'll love doing that. Everyone takes pictures of me. I take pictures of you.